Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Dr. Brian uyavuma ukuthi vele kuphelile emkhathini kwakhe nami Dlamini ke sana uconfirmile lokho, washo ukuthi regarding the reasons my relationship with Mrs. Minenhle Dlamini ended, the article has 8 acknowledges is based on rumors and it is far from the truth. This was after kube khona iblog lekhulume ngokuhlukana kwakhe uDr. Brian Namini Dlamini washo ukuthi lama rumors malicious and awasilo iqiniso mayelana nokuhlukana kwabo. Yebo bahlukene, but the reason why bahlukene, it's not what it's written laphana kuleya blog or kuleya newspaper. So people are actually laughing and making fun of Minnie Dlamini ngokuthi wadlala ngakhona ngamthanza, and now ufambule like so hard, so bad, because when it comes to my relationship shame ayiqhawukele akekho enhlanhleni nje indoda iyalina nje njengetibuntu esidudla akhambi lutho. Wazama kushada na Quinton baba nemntwana, but nako umshado wabo it ended in tears vele for yena nje cha kuma relationship akumlungeli ama relationship awamvumi ke sana. So basho nje ukuthi ayukele wafambula lapha kokhune, wafambula big time because ukhune bekamthanza ngendlela lesimangaliso. Ukhune awumuve on nyalo shadile with kid or kids or kid, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure how many kids Khune has, but azwela shem kubona abantu bakhuluma ukuthi ayiqhagele wena ufamily lapha khona. So baby mama wakhe uBrian uNeymar Lawrence uthi the Lord will fight for me, wafaka guys laphana ku-Instagram. This was after kudume ukuthi uDr. Brian and uMinenhle, Dr. Brian, which is her baby daddy, of course, broke up with uMinenhle. Washo nje uthi uNkulunkulu mina utongilwela oh yes, and ezasilwela ubani babona nje ukuthi hayi le message lena ibhekise elaphana nguDr. Brian Minnie Dlamini ukuhlukana kwabo. Washo ukuthi inkosi itomulwela and imlwele. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out, so goodbye.